Hello and welcome, this is Dee from crystalcraftswithdee. I have another unboxing to do for you today. This one is from OneDaySaving. So OneDaySaving, they are a great budget-friendly website. They have all different cross-stitch and diamond painting and wax seals and resin molds, all that sort of thing. They got all kinds of neato stuff on their website. So I have chosen a couple of different items. And I've already opened up the bag a little bit just because I was a little bit worried about cutting one of the envelopes in here. So anyway, something a little bit different today. So it comes in your standard bag, and I have a couple of different, a couple of different items there. So I have one diamond painting, and I have this. So this is a packet of, what do they call them? Waterproof mesh zipper bags. And this is a new item that they have, and they come in different sizes. So these are the A4 ones. And I'll just open them up. There we go. So I thought these would be fantastic for carrying your projects, that sort of thing. And actually this isn't A4, it's A3. Oh, even better. Even better. Wow. So these are great. It's a pack of 5. And you can get, let's see, they have A4, A3, and B4. And you can get them in packs of 5, 10, or 15, which is fantastic. So the A3 size, that looks really good. And they're nice and sturdy. And they are zippered. Oops, we're stuck. So they are zippered. That zipper works really well, actually. And wow, you can fit so much stuff in there. Oh, they're nicer than I expected, actually. So these are actually really good for carrying all different things. So carrying your projects, your bits and pieces. They'd be really good for like school projects, you know, for the kids to take their artwork or that sort of thing, so that they are nice and waterproof and clean. But this pack here has clear and yellow, and they're a really good price as well. So I'll just bring my yellow one out. There we go. So I was thinking this sort of thing is really good for sort of keeping all your pencils and rulers and all that sort of thing together. All your different bits and pieces for your diamond paintings. You can keep your diamond painting pens in there. So I thought the A4 ones would be perfect for that. I can carry in there. But my main purpose for these is that I would like to carry my projects in them. So, for example, a diamond painting, that'll flatten out and that'll hold a 30 by 30. I don't know if it'll hold a 30 by 40, but you could sort of pop that in there, and then you've got your different bits and pieces you can pop in there as well, and it keeps them all together. So if you have a couple of different projects on the go sort of thing, that'd be perfect. The other thing too, which is my main reason, maybe all this out of here, was I tend to go places a lot with my cross stitch, and I thought this is perfect for putting my cross stitch stuff in there, and being A3 is even better because it'll hold bigger projects. And it keeps all that in there. It keeps it nice and flat, nice and clean. And if you spill anything on it, it is waterproof. So I absolutely love these. And I love the fact you can get them in different sized packs. So you can get a pack of 5, pack of 10, pack of 15. They're a fantastic idea. I absolutely love it. And it's made very well. And that zipper works really good too. So I'm super impressed. So there you go. That's item number 1, a pack of 5 of these gorgeous A3 waterproof mesh bags. Beautiful. Second, we have a gorgeous little diamond painting. This is one of a series. You can choose all different ones. I had so many different pretty ones, and I thought, oh no, I'll get this one. It's something a little bit different. But oh, I just wanted like them all because they're so pretty. This is a little special drill. Nice and soft. It's a little 30 by 30 special drill diamond painting. It is a partial. You've got your canvas, a basic toolkit, and drills. And oh, that is so gorgeous. I thought the cat was really pretty because I like how his whiskers sort of go off the side like that. But there's elephant, there's a butterfly, there was, I'm just trying to remember, I think a rabbit. There's so many beautiful ones. And I'm just pulling this back just to help it relax, so it can sit a little bit flatter. But there you go. It's a beautiful little 30 by 30 partial. How gorgeous is that? It has 11 different drills in there, and it looks like it's printed really, really well. I'll zoom you in so you can have a closer look at that drill field. So in we go. You can see, I just love the swirling patterns. I love the different shapes that you use. I love this. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Shows the shape of the fur. I love that. It's printed very, very well. He's got such a beautiful face. There's 2 symbol keys, one on each side. Excuse me, I'm getting a bit hoarse here. So there's no issues there in reading those symbols. I just love his face. How pretty. That looks really, really good, actually. Okay, I'll zoom you back out again. Out we go. And I'll have a look at those drills. So drills come on standard strips. Thank you. So how many were there? 11. Yep, there's 11 there. Okay, so he has some absolutely gorgeous pink rhinestones. Really beautiful pink, that color. Some soft sort of yellowy green. Look at the sparkle on those. Gorgeous orange. Blue. Darker blue. And that's like a champagne color. It's really soft. A beautiful color. And I'm looking at the backs of those drills and they're looking really, really good. Doesn't look like there's hardly any scratched ones in there. Then into our special shape drills. We've got some beautiful red rounds. I love these ones here with the pinks and the yellows and that. They're absolutely gorgeous. Got some lovely champagne colored teardrops. And some blue marquee. And last but not least, wow, they're gorgeous. Beautiful green, yellowy green marquees. And that's really gorgeous because the color of the cat's eyes, like it matches them. That's really pretty. So what color number is that? It's 11. Oops, so 11 is E. Okay, so it's all these colors around here, but they pick up the beautiful color in his eyes. Oh yeah, and there's 3 of them just around his face there. Absolutely gorgeous drills. I love the colors. They're really pretty. How gorgeous is that? So even though it's a 30 by 30, it's still quite a bit of work that you need to put into it. They've packed a lot of drills in there, and I reckon it's going to come up absolutely beautifully. How pretty is that? Just love it. Oh, there goes the phone again. It's all happening. How beautiful is that? So that's 2 gorgeous items that I got from OneDaySaving. Beautiful diamond painting, which I will be showing on my YouTube channel. I'll be doing a review of that in the not too distant future, so keep your eyes peeled for that one. And these absolutely amazing mesh zippered bags. I absolutely love them, and they come in different colors as well, but I love the yellow and the white. Really beautiful. We'll definitely be getting more of these because they are just, you could use them in anything. Like you could even use them in your cupboard, putting those loose plastic lids that you lose all the time, you know, the little ones. You can put them all in there. It's just, the possibilities are endless with these guys. So it's 2 gorgeous products that I got from OneDaySaving. I'd like to thank OneDaySaving very much for sending these out to me for review. I'm absolutely wrapped. I will be using these up right away, and I will be doing a review video of that one reasonably quickly. So keep your eyes peeled for that. So thank you so much, OneDaySaving. I'll put the links to these guys in the description box below for you if you're interested. So thank you, OneDaySaving. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time.